Hi, friends. My name is Miss Ellie, and today we are going to talk about our favorite color. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Today we are going to learn about colors and adjectives. Let's begin. What is your favorite color? You can say your favorite color by saying, I like the color red. Let's grab our pointer. I like the color red. I love the color orange. I prefer the color green. My name is Miss Ellie, and I'm really excited about this week's lesson. My favorite color is green. What is your favorite color? Use a color word to describe a noun. Write a sentence by saying the color before the object. Listen. I see the red apples. I like the red rose. I love the orange fish. Do you like orange juice? I see the yellow flowers. Do you see the yellow stars? I see a green snake. Do you like the green tree? It has lots of leaves. It has green leaves. Do you see the blue sky? The white cloud? The green trees? I like the purple flowers. I love the purple grapes. I see a green grape right there. Let's practice our song. It's called the Rainbow Song. Ready? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Makes a rainbow bright, bright, bright. Say the color, then the object. A color is an adjective. It describes a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. We have lots of things here. Repeat after me. A red apple. An orange flower. A purple grape. A blue sky. When you have a word that begins with O or any other vowel, you need to use the word an. What colors are they wearing? He is wearing blue and white. He has blue socks and white shoes. Use different subjects. A subject is what does the action in the sentence. I like to eat red apples. He likes to eat orange mangoes. She likes to eat purple grapes. We like to eat green salads. They like to eat blueberries. Ask questions using colors. What color are you wearing today? What color is your house? What is your favorite color? Draw a picture with different colors. What colors did you use? Describe the picture as your activity for today. Thanks for being a scholar today. Have a nice day.